Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about chain rule. So, let's see here. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, so what does chain rule say? Chain rule says, what if we have two functions put inside one another? In other words, it's a composite function. So we have some f composite g of x, and we want to know its derivative. So take f composite g prime of x. Okay, so what chain rule says is that this is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. In other words, we're taking the derivative of this is equal to the derivative of the outside. So the outside derivative, and we're multiplying it by the inside derivative. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at an example of this, which I'm going to go ahead and box this in. Do need to memorize this. Got chain rule. Okay, so now that we have chain rule under our belts, let's go ahead and look at a problem. So in this example, we got y is equal to y equals x squared plus x plus 1, all of this raised to the 7th. Okay, and we're finding y prime. Okay, cool. So chain rule says, and we just wrote it down, so we have the derivative of f, which is going to be let's go ahead and identify what our different functions are. So f of x is equal to the outside. So whatever's in here is going to be the parameter, which is x in our case. So it's x to the 7th, and then g of x is equal to whatever's on the inside, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, and then using this, we can say that the derivative of f, or f prime of x, is equal to 7x to the 6th, and g prime of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Alright, and using this, we say f prime of our original function g of x would be 7 times whatever g is. So we have 7 times x squared plus x plus 1 to the 6th, multiplied by g prime of x, which is right here, which is 2x plus 1. And that is what y prime is equal to. Okay, and I suppose probably simplify this, but that's going to be the answer to that. Alright, so there's chain rule, and you'll go ahead and need to memorize that. Maybe work a couple example problems from the book. This is going to be openstax. I still think we're in chapter 3. So yeah, if you go over to chapter 3 in the openstax book online, free book, you can go down to the homework problems and work a couple from there. And we'll see you in the next video.